Eve.
Yo, 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 they wanna know, 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 they wanna know.
First thing I am going to do is section my hair how I want to retwist them. So I'm gonna do 3 parts. So I have one part in the back that's already in a ponytail. And then I have these 2 right here. And I'm just gonna put them in a ponytail because I'm gonna start with the back of my hair first. And I like to start with the back of my hair first because, you know, when you put the clips in, you don't gotta worry about all the hassle and tassel. Like if I start from the front and then it's like laying back, then I gotta worry about like trying to lift it up and, you know, do all that tassel, hassle. So basically what I'll be using is Talia Waheed Lock It Up Gel. I got my Lock Nation pomade and I got some oil that I made myself. Who is that, my friend? Is that my friend? Hey, friend. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come. Y'all tell Skylar hey. Say hey, Skylar. Oh, and you're going to need some hair clips, y'all. Oh, and some rubber bands. Don't be like, oh, I don't know if I got no rubber bands.
Check 1, 2. Here we go. I'm done with you. I'm done with this. Done with your 2. And yes, that's attitude.
Y'all can tell me how that part looks. Clearly, I can't see behind me.
I'm done with you. I'm done with this.
Oh, the part look good to me. It looks good to me.
Cause I'm calling up the moment, lingering sentiments. I'm phoning it. I think it's time to call it a day. And you're playing with the fire that ignites my song of tired. What I am no longer is trying to play with you.
Look at that lip.
And my words act as a warning, global inside out and turning. You might think it's fine to treat me with ease, but I'm coming for your lazy. Watch me sink into my crazy. If you think I'll let you treat me as you please, I'm over you, done with your shit. I'm over us, I'm over it. And yes, there once was you and me, but now it's more like you and her. And she's the one who used to not know how to tell
So
you.
you're going to use a little bit of this right here.
I'm here now, I might fall into
Y'all see.
where gravity bounds, nothing miss me with that sad and tired. Oh, I can change. If I leave now, I'll find sanctuary in myself and actually move me forward in a real kind of way. Oh, my leaving sits on promises of futures knowing good and well. Wouldn't then try to provide. Cause y'all asking what I'm growing and your childish ways I'm showing lesson here. I'm done, good luck and goodbye. I'm through.
There we go. And on to the next.
Check 1, 2. Here we go. I'm done with you. I'm done with this. Done with your 2. And yes, that's attitude. Neither of us seem to like. I'm done with you. I'm done with this. Done with the beat